Advaya, medicines. Advaya, medicines. Advaya, medicines. Advaya is plural of dawa. Advaya, medicines. Adyan, religions. Adyan, religions. Adyan, religions. Adyan is plural of deen. Adyan, religions. Adib, man of letters, writer. Adib, man of letters, writer. Adib, man of letters, writer. Adiba, a female writer. Adiba, a female writer. Adiba, a female writer. Adbana, Adbani, half-formed, unfinished. Adbana, Adbani, half-formed, unfinished. Adbana, Adbani, half-formed, unfinished. Adbana is used for masculine nouns and Adbani is used for feminine nouns. Adpaka, Adpaki, unripe, half-cooked. Adpaka, Adpaki, unripe, half-cooked. Adpaka, Adpaki, unripe, half-cooked. Adpaka is used for masculine nouns and Adpaki is used for feminine nouns. Adjala, Adjali, half-burnt. Adjala, Adjali, half-burnt. Adjala, Adjali, half-burnt. Adjala is used for masculine nouns and Adjali is used for feminine nouns. Adjal gagri chalkat jaye. It's an idiom. It means empty vessels make the most sound. Adjal gagri chalkat jaye. Empty vessels make the most sound. Adjal gagri chalkat jaye. Empty vessels make the most sound. Adha, Adhi, half. Adha, Adhi, half. Adha, Adhi, half. Adha is used for masculine nouns and Adhi is used for feminine nouns. Adkhula, Adkhuli, not in full bloom. Adkhula, Adkhuli, not in full bloom. Adkhul, sorry. Adkhila, Adkhili, not in full bloom. Adkhila, Adkhili, not in full bloom. Adkhila, Adkhili, not in full bloom. Adkhula, Adkhuli, ajar, half open, half naked. Adkhula, Adkhuli, ajar, half open, half naked. Adkhula, Adkhuli, ajar, half open, half naked. Udhar, loan, debt, credit. Udhar, loan, debt, credit. Udhar, loan, debt, credit.